Hey guys, we received this blue cute office scissors for test and try. So they are the nice scissor from Duo Vogue, and they are blue cute office scissor with a comfort grip handles that I will show you. Comes in this nice protective packing. Let me just take this out. So you can use these scissors for any occasion like craft and stuff. So this is around 7 inches long and with a nice handle and the cute design. So the hand fits really well. So it's a comfort grip, and also easy to cut. They are very sharp, as you can see, like easily cut this plastic in one go. So really sharp 2 mm thick blade, and both left and right mates or the right match can be used with the comfortable handle design. So easily cut, easily used, very sharp and very nice scissors. So they are really easy to cut things, as you can see, and very sharp, precise. So nice overall. I will recommend this scissor if you want to use it for any fabric or student or teacher work or anything. So multi-purpose scissor.